Screen sharing on Discord but no one can hear the sound? Here's the fix that actually works. First, make sure you're inside a Discord voice channel. Once you're connected, look at the bottom of Discord and click on Share Your Screen. Here's the biggest mistake most people make. If you select Screens, Discord will share your video, but not the audio. Instead, go to the Applications tab. Now select an app that has sound, like YouTube video in a browser. Then click Go Live. Now, your viewers should hear the audio properly. If audio still isn't working, click the settings icon down below. This will directly take you to voice and video section. Here, make sure the output device is your correct speakers or headphones. Also, the input device must be set to the correct microphone. Sometimes glitches in Discord can mess up the sound. A simple solution might be to stop screen sharing and start sharing again. If nothing works, close the Discord app completely. Relaunch Discord, and then try screen sharing again. And that's it. Subscribe for more tech videos.